Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Lizzie, and today I'm going to show you guys what all I eat on the Weight Watchers, or it's formerly known as Weight Watchers. It's now WW Purple Plan. I'm going to start with my coffee. I love getting this coffee from Sam's Club. It's Starbucks, and I make it as 8 ounces and strong. Then I add some unsweetened silk cashew milk, and usually I'll just fill up my mug to the top. I don't really measure the cashew milk. If you do over 8 ounces, it does count as points. So right now, the first thing I'm going to make for breakfast is I'm going to dice up 1 yellow potato, and I'm going to cook it in the air fryer. I believe I usually cook my potatoes for 11 minutes on about 360. That's the setting that works best with my air fryer. And to season it, I'll toss it in about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of olive oil with sea salt and pepper. Then I'll add in my garlic powder and my onion powder, and then I'll mix that all up with parsley flakes. For the seasonings like garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper, I don't usually measure those out because they're 0 points anyway, so I'll just season to taste. And now I'm just going to add those into the air fryer that's been preheated, and it'll prompt me when I need to stir them. I'm gonna whisk up 2 eggs, and then I'm going to scramble them. And after I start scrambling them, I'm gonna use salt and pepper. And you saw me use the nonstick cooking spray. That's 0 points also. And with the eggs and potatoes, I'm gonna eat about a palm full of washed blueberries. And then I'm going to weigh out about a tablespoon of ketchup. Right here, I'm soaking about a 1/3 cup of rice. That's brown rice because that's 0 points. And I'm going to salt some water and get that boiling. Once it's boiling, I'm going to add the soaked rice and start a timer for 28 minutes. Then I'm going to start with my sauce. While that boils, it's a can of cream of mushroom soup with half a can of water. And then I'm going to mix in sea salt, parsley, pepper, and garlic powder. Stir that up, and then also add in 1/4 cups of chopped white onion. Once the rice is done cooking, you're going to want to stir that into the cream of mushroom soup mix. And then after that's mixed, I'm going to spray a nonstick cooking dish and then preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now you can add your rice and mushroom soup mix into the sprayed baking dish. And then you're going to want to add in your chicken. I usually use 1 chicken breast. I forgot to mention that at the beginning. I'll try to list all the ingredients down below, but you will chop up a chicken breast, or you can buy chicken tenderloins, whichever you prefer. And then once you scatter them about, you're going to take your onion soup mix and spread that along the top of the chicken. Once your oven is preheated, cover your baking dish in foil, and then you're going to want to cook this for between 45 minutes to an hour, depending on your oven. Mine takes about 50 minutes, and you're not going to want to open the oven door or check on the casserole, because that's what's going to cook that onion soup mix on the top. This recipe serves 3, and it is 4 points per serving. I like to make this recipe and then save the other 2 servings for lunches throughout the week. after my workout, I went ahead and made myself a glass of water. I actually had been drinking water earlier, but just forgot to show it. I try to drink about 3 of these Starbucks cups a day. And for my after workout snack, I'm gonna have about half a cup of this unsweetened applesauce. It ended up being about 6 ounces because I wasn't paying attention while I was filming. And then I'll eat a Sargento light cheese stick. The applesauce is gonna be 0 points and the cheese stick is gonna be 1 point. So for dinner, I'm going to be having spaghetti, and I'm out of ground turkey, so tonight we're just having regular spaghetti. Right now I am boiling some water, adding salt and olive oil so that my noodles don't stick, and my noodles are the whole wheat pasta, so that's going to be 0 points. And now I'm just spraying some broccoli with some cooking spray, adding some salt and pepper to that, and putting it in the air fryer to roast for about 5 minutes. After I strain the noodles, I'm going to put them back into the pan and then mix in a half of a cup of pre-measured Rao's marinara sauce. This is the best pasta sauce that I've had on Weight Watchers or not. I love it. I'm going to stir it up, and then we're going to plate it with the broccoli and then garnish with some cheese. I tried to use my scale to measure out the cheese, but it didn't really work out for me. So the cheese that I put into Weight Watchers was about 2 points, so hopefully that was accurate. So my last snack was just a banana, and almost all fruits on the purple plan are 0 points. So that's what this is. And then here is my daily total. I have 3 points left, but I'm within the range of points that you can have. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Subscribing really means a lot to me. And thank you guys again. Bye.